Hi, so today we will be quickly unboxing the Maono AU-MH501 studio monitor pair of headphones. So jumping right in, we see the box in all its glory, which is a fairly decent box for this particular price range. And here are the specifications for all the audio nerds out there. So in case you want to have a close look at it, you can please feel free to pause the video and see the specifications more granularly. Opening the box, we see that we are greeted with a greeting feedback customer satisfaction kind of a card, which is decent. Personally, I feel that the company is taking efforts to take care of the customers, which is a nice gesture. So in case you're having any issues with the product, you can reach out to Maono directly using this. Keeping that aside, we see the user manual with the specifications and journal warning and general guidelines all over, which are fairly simple to understand and look at. So keeping that aside as well, for now at this point of time, we will see that right after that is the headphones themselves. So taking them out, there is nothing else in the box, so for now we'll just keep it aside. And coming to the headphones, so after we take them out, we can see that they are fully foldable into this very compact format form factor, which is decent for carrying and other such items. So just like any other pair of studio monitors, they open up and they have a decent flex and a build quality to them, which is very nice to hold and feel. And the cups also are fairly comfortable. They feel very comfortable, and just like any other pair of studio monitors, the cups, they are reversible, fully reversible, so they can be used as is or as an on-ear pair of headphones as well. And they have the Maono logo, which I feel is pretty decent. So going forward, this is the attached auxiliary cable that comes along with it. So let me just try to get this wrap around it and out of it. It seems pretty complicated. I think they have done a fairly decent job to put it there. Give me just a second.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I was finally able to get them out, and the headphones seem pretty nice as usual, as I was mentioning. So coming to the cable, it feels like a very decent rubberized cable with a 1/4-inch adapter to it, which is pretty obvious for any studio monitor pair of headphones. But this is a removable adapter, which means to say that if we remove it, it exposes the inner 3.5 mm jack as well, which can be used to connect with your mobile phones and devices as such in case you need it be. The adapters also include a fairly decent gold plating, which is required for the longevity and the look and feel overall of the adapters themselves. Well, that's been it, guys. Thank you so much. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more new unboxing content like this. If there is any comments or questions or any feedback, please leave it down in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. And have a nice day, stay safe, take care, bye.